Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lah wa nashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Man jaa bis-sidq wa sadaqa bihi ulaika humul muttaqun. Sadaqallahul Azim. I am very thankful for this management for giving me this opportunity to speak about His Holiness Maulana Sayyid Siddiq Deendar Chand Basveshwar Sahab Qibla Quddusar al-Aziz. Today is a 75th commemoration of His Holiness, leader of the leaders, a descendant of Hazrat Imam Hassan Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu and Imam Hussain Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Siddiq Deendar Chand Basveshwar Sahab Qibla Quddusar al-Aziz. Like every year, we will celebrate this year with devotion and respect. Today, in the entire world, Islam and the founder of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, are being insulted immensely. In such circumstances, we Muslims have the greatest responsibility to come in front and present the glory of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Islam to the world. His Holiness Maulana Sayyid Siddiq Deendar Chand Basveshwar Sahab Qibla starting preaching Islam on the 7th of February 1924. In these circumstances, he highlighted the glory and majesty of Prophet Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam from the holy books of Indian nations to the monasteries and temples of India, churches, gurudwaras, and courts of all kings of India. Thousands of Hindu Pandits accepted the Islam, and he also brought 4 kings to the fold of Islam. It is a blessing of Islam that in the age of such strong opposition, he created the love of Islam in the hearts of countrymen. There is a critical need for this kind of work in India today. By realizing the importance of times, Muslims should perform the duty of preaching Islam from the holy books of India. Apart from Quran and Hadith, the people here are fond of religion. These people are opposing Islam by not knowing the reality of Islam. If we present Islam in their languages and tell them that Islam is a religion of peace and the tidings of Prophet Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam are present in their holy books with names like Narashams, Antimurashi, Kalki Avatar and Jagat Guru, then this nation can be under the shade of Islam. And the opposition to Islam that is being planted in their hearts by a few plotters can be eliminated. His Holiness Maulana Sayyid Siddiq Deendar Chand Basveshwar Sahab Qibla Quddusar al-Aziz stood against such opponents of Islam, and he gives strong replies to them, restoring the atmosphere of peace and tranquility in India by establishing respect for the holy books of India and its authors, and instilling the true greatness of Islam and the founder of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He has strengthened the Hindu-Muslims unity. For this purpose only, he established a group of preachers in 1343 Hijri corresponding to 7th of February 1924. He devoted his life to spreading the message of peace and tranquility in India in various languages of India. And to explain these principles, Hazrat Maulana Sayyid Siddiq Deendar Chand Basveshwar Sahab Qibla Quddusar al-Aziz gave a program called Panchanti Mark. They are Eko Jagadishwar, oneness of God; Eko Jagadguru, oneness of world teacher; Sarva Avatara Satya, all prophets are true; Sarva Dharam Granth Satya, or religious scriptures are true; Sammel Paratana, the composite form of prayer, that is namaz. Through this message, this nation can be under the shade of Islam. Praise be to Allah, Jamaat is steadfast on the same principle still today. To explain this goal to the public, the preachers of Islam visit different places of India and present this message in different languages. Every year, by organizing an international religions conference on the occasion of the commemoration of His Holiness मौलाना सैयद सिद्दीक दीनदार चंद बसवेश्वर साहब क़िबला क़ुद्दसुल अज़ीज़। They invite representatives of all religions together. मैं अपना एक अशार कहते हुए अपनी जगह लेना चाहता हूँ। अंदाज़े बयां गरचे बहुत शौक़ नहीं है, शायद के उतर जाए तेरे दिल में मेरी बात। व आखिर दाना अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन। अस्सलामु अलैकुम।